Assalamualaikum all, it's your sister Zainab. Welcome back to another video. It has been forever since I put a video on this channel, but I'm back now. Hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make simple omelette toast. It's really simple to make and it just requires a few ingredients. So here I was showing you guys what we'll need. As you can see in this plate, it's just few vegetable, which is a green pepper, some chopped onion, red pepper, and yellow pepper. So I'm going to put the vegetables in this bowl. As you guys can see here, I'm already like mixing everything, and then next I'm going to break these 4 eggs in here. So next I'm going to be adding some salt, and also I'm going to cut this Vienna. This is optional, you don't need to add Vienna if you don't feel like, but for me I like Vienna in my eggs because maybe because I don't really love egg smell, so I put so many things if I want to eat eggs. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to chop this Vienna and add into my eggs and mix it together. Okay, I'm done now with the mixing. I'm going to transfer this mixture into this cup here, and I'm going to set that aside until I need. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my bread slice. I'm going to remove the middle part of the bread. I'm using this glass because I haven't got a dough cutter. If you have a dough cutter, it's gonna be much better, and also it's gonna be easy for you because, as you guys know, the dough cutter are more sharp than this glass. So yeah, I'm done with the cutting. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with the frying. Okay, now I'm going to add some oil in the pan and wait until it's hot. And once it's hot, we're going to place the bread in the center of the pan like so, and then I'm going to mix the eggs nicely before I pour in the bread. Now we just have to wait 1 to 2 minutes until it's well fried down there, and then I'm going to flip it over and pour some more oil, and then I'm going to fry other side as well for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to slow the flame, and then I'm going to cover the pan to make sure the egg come out well done. I like my eggs to be well done. If you don't have problem with the raw eggs, you don't have to cover, as long as you fry the eggs both sides until it's light golden. The last time I did I make this toast, the center part was not well cooked, so I decided to cover in slow flame, and then it came out well done. So yeah, I'm just pressing down to make sure it's nicely cooked the way I want. Okay, but these eggs, I mean this toast, come out so well, so delicious. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, comment down below what you guys think about this yummy recipe. Try out and let me know. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.